Human dignity defines destiny of nations. It is human dignity that sets humans apart from other species. It distinguishes human beings as the most exceptional. Their uniqueness in this world stems from their sense of dignity. Dignity means the state or quality of being worthy of respect and honor. It is achieved when human beings live in the sphere of freedom. When their dignity is at risk, human beings go to extreme lengths to defend it. Throughout history, revolutions have occurred whenever human dignity came under threat. Imagine if all the people in France were granted equal rights and dignity, the French Revolution may not have occurred at all. The French Revolution emerged as a result of human rights violations, leading people to fight for their dignity through a violent revolution. The history of the world repeatedly demonstrates that while people can survive without food and water, it is dignity that is essential for their survival. Muhammad Bouazizi, a Tunisian street vendor, had his produce confiscated by the police on December 17, 2010. According to reports, they hit him and spat in his face. Feeling insulted by this derogatory behavior, the man went to the governor's office to seek justice and file a complaint. The poor man's words went unheeded as nobody took the time to hear him. In a moment of despair, the man soaked himself in gasoline and ignited his own body. The Arab world was taken by surprise and saw the downfall of numerous dictatorial regimes. Hence, the key to successful governments lies in safeguarding human dignity. However, when democratic governments neglect the protection of human dignity, they descend into chaos and destruction. Therefore, by safeguarding people's dignity, governments can win their people's hearts. Lee Kuan Yew treated the people of Singapore like his own children, safeguarding their honor and freedom, which endeared him to their hearts. Without a doubt, Lee Kuan Yew stands as the most famous leader in Singapore. Today, the world is in a state of chaos and disarray. What is causing the current peace crisis in our era? The answer is quite simple. In the modern era, numerous governments have been disregarding human dignity. For example, in Kashmir, people are struggling for their freedom and dignity. Since the partition, there has been an ongoing struggle. And the right for freedom in Kashmir is all about protecting dignity of its people, which is only possible if Kashmiris are granted their freedom. Meanwhile, the Palestinian population is enduring an extremely violent conflict with Israel, causing significant harm to their right to live in peace and dignity. If it was just about land, the issue would have been resolved through a mutual agreement. Their dignity as a nation and rightful occupants of Palestine is at stake. Therefore, this conflict requires immediate solution. Dignity defines human behavior and drives people to go beyond their limits to protect it. For world peace, it is essential to ensure the harmonious and dignified living of all inhabitants. Therefore, the UN must ensure that no state or government violates people's dignity. And resolution of conflicts such as Kashmir issue and Palestine issue is the need of the hour. In addition, what can governments do to enhance the self-worth of their citizens? The solution lies in showing respect to their citizens. In terms of respect, they should regard their citizens as their own children and fulfill their needs in a dignified manner. Human dignity is what gives them a sense of honor and worth. To guarantee peace in this world, this is the sole path to follow. However, without it, a peaceful world will remain a far cry. Thank you so much.